el pescado. Let's start with the fish. I have 2 eggs here. What I want to do is break my eggs. My wife is really good doing that.
Stop it!
Right? No?
Rude!
You're not good?
I'm about to show you what I'm good at.
Now, I'm gonna put my bits in the side for now. I have 2 eggs here. I wanna break my eggs, mix it just a little bit.
I had to go and check, I wasn't sure. We did say she's always welcome.
Yeah. Just like that. I wanna add some Pampa syrup, no. Chimi Bravo. Chimi Bravo is a chimichurri but a spicy version. So what you can do is 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of this guy will get a little spicy, and this one will be for your fish. So you marinate your fish in this egg for a little bit, and then you bread them, and will come out amazing. So we have these 3 little guys here. A fish we can see here is flour, egg, bread. Okay, fish, flour, egg, bread. Fish, flour, egg,
That's
bread. Good. So what I want to do is I get my tilapia, put some salt, you know, put some salt here and pass it through my flour first. Flour. So this one will make a crispy, how do you say movie?
Film.
Film. A crispy film. Then this one, the egg, the flour will make the egg stick to the fish. So fish in the egg. Try to get both sides.
I'm excited
And then
about this.
look at this.
Ooh.
And then remove the excess bread. Move it on one side, the other side. Try to press a little bit so you know all the bread get really wet and stick to the fish. You can add this one. I will add some Pampa syrups, just like that.
Yummy. Ooh, Alaska says love beets.
There we go.
Me too.
I have some walnuts here, so you can break it and put it into this beautiful salad, just like that. And I want to finish with some red wine vinegar, just a touch. Mix it.